Alright, Empress, so all going on?
Yeah, man, rice and peas, you know.
Rice and peas, you know.
Everything sealed up.
See how the pot deep? Enough fed this a feed.
Yeah, no for we there.
See it there?
Bless.
Alright.
More food ready.
Alright. How we are doing, my son?
Yo.
A jerk, we are jerk.
Yeah, red stripe. Yeah.
Red stripe, we are. That's how we are doing. How you mean? Up movements. Empress.
Up.
Up.
Bless.
How you mean?
Up.
Grandma, where I run go? Grandma, where I run go?
Yo, come in.
Come in, Empress.
Yeah, Empress there, sir.
Okay.
Up.
Alright, so how do you do now, Empress?
Yeah, man, doing the finishing touches, you know? Yeah, man.
Everything done, you know?
Yeah, man, last lap with the pan, man.
Okay, see it there?
Yeah,
See
man,
all the
bless
one that
up.
look sweet, that's all?
Yeah, man, when we there Jamaica, you know, Mama safe.
Okay.
They don't know, I was the original chef before I left here, so.
Alright, see
And when
there?
we come forward, Mama don't know say her food ready every time. See
Alright,
there?
Empress.
Everything lock you know.
Up.
Alright. Hey guys! Hey! Hey! Hello! Hello everyone! Hi sis! Hey cuz! Hey wifey! Hey son! Hey mom! Hey cuz! No one's saying hello, everyone's eating.
Hello.
This is what we're doing this holiday, people. We're having our meal outside. And this is my sis's meal. She's having her Desi Charana. What is it called, sis?
Desi channel.
Desi Chana. Okay, so that's her meal. Because she's vegan. Here we go.
I don't want chicken.
You don't want chicken? Alright guys, so this is what we're doing for our holidays. We're gonna enjoy and we'll give you an update later. Bye now.